Okay.
Imagine a Savannah speed door.
Oh, hell
No.
Okay, here we go. This is the elevator of the multi.
I swear to everything on my life. No, I see the pink. I'm not looking.
Look, it's
No. It's a secret. It's a secret.
It's
a
secret.
It's a secret. I just heard the chime.
Oh. Really?
You're so paranoid, bro. You act like your next Savannah drop is right around like the quarter, bro. God damn it, Indigo. Get your mind up, not your. Get your funny up, not your money up.
Close to death experiences with this feature.
Number one close to death experience. Adam experiences a Savannah. Adam gets inside a Savannah.
Adam loves her.
Really fucking
This is
dies.
like.
Oh, yes, you do. Tell me, when was the last time you've conversed with this fellow? Because me personally, I'm obliged to think that it was last week.
It probably was actually last night.
Oh, no. It was last hour. It was at 6 o'clock.
No, it was the last minute. That's why he crashed.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. He's talking things over, you know.
What is happening?
Yeah, maybe she's talking.
I don't even know. Anyways, that's it.